Samsung is set to release a new Fan Edition smartphone in the Android market this week, and I'm here to share my initial impressions. Right from the start, we were pleasantly surprised by the improved build quality of the device. The phone fully embraces Samsung's design language for 2023 and feels like a significant step up from the Galaxy S24. It employs premium materials, including an aluminum frame, giving it a more robust and substantial feel, albeit slightly heavier compared to previous FE models. Overall, the Galaxy S23 FE exudes a premium aura among Android phones. It combines a Gorilla Glass Victus display with an aluminum frame, assuring durability in daily use. This high-quality display and frame also contribute to the phone's comfortable weight, setting it apart from the similarly designed Galaxy S54 5G. Leading up to the unveiling of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, there was considerable criticism on social media about Samsung's choice of the Exynos 2200 SoC, which has faced some skepticism. However, I'm pleased to report that the Exynos-powered Galaxy S23 FE unit I used for approximately a week performed surprisingly well. The Galaxy S23 Fan Edition delivers a seamless One UI experience without any noticeable performance hiccups. This suggests that Samsung may have addressed previous issues with the Exynos 2200 SoC. The Galaxy S23 FE will come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, expected to offer even better performance. Another noteworthy aspect is the solid camera experience offered by the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, featuring features like 2x portrait cropping, nightography, and a comprehensive director's view. Additionally, Samsung promises 4 OS upgrades, extending the phone's software support up to Android 17. Samsung has announced that the Galaxy S23 FE will be available in select markets starting October 5th, priced at $599. Buyers can choose from 4 standard color options: mint, cream, graphite, and purple, and 2 online exclusive colors, indigo and tangerine. With the right features in place, the Galaxy S23 FE has the potential to be a compelling alternative to Samsung's flagship lineup. It offers impressive cameras, ample battery capacity, long-term software support, and a reasonable $599 price tag, making it an attractive choice even without carrier deals. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.